Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. For some time now, story where your story be a trend pa ewo Ghana. Sorry for this. For some time now, story where your story be a trend pa ewo Ghana. Ebimo a wo mo de be politics no wo mo de ye. NDC for ababonten ababe bodua on this particular story. Na nini na ene se oko Agona West NDC parliamentary candidate IFN Paul Ofori Amwa. Yase wabopa say yenkonko kun MPP MP na wo ho no. MPP MP no she doubles as the gender minister. Your friend is Cynthia Morrison. Now, as same way as I have spoken on it extensively on this channel. Into no why will follow your channel no for a very long time no. Say wait here same way 8 years sebe ni details free na shase ekosi na wie ye. No men ka se na wie ye but ewie ye ne nyamba. Etiefo, the last time I spoke on this matter, I told you say na akwa ye say aposifo ye wo mo ho say oh asem no ye be charge no ye charge no ye be charge because the first time we reported on the story NDC for no ene papa nankasa ba monte be ka asem no nya ne kre Wabeka asem ne nya ne kre police for me friend nko bebia say ye say wa plan say wo kwa kokun MPP papa nankasa no beka e mia na besan so be video ha NDC for e de fan ho tan e be di matem say Melodies wo de asem no wan kwa verify e na wo beka won say papa na ba bontin say nya ne kre sa na NDC for e be twa ball me ye wo ho na police for ankasa ba bontin beka asem no e ye ne kre hey Ghana and I'm a be report here. Now, if you want to be matem no, meaning baby, I want Fabium. And now, I say, Oko City FM, the breaking news coming through right now, and they say Agona West NDC parliamentary candidate charged over alleged plot to kill Cynthia Morrison. Just as is here officially, a post for a charge no. Our modern no air barber court. Send the crack a post for Omotre say, once answer a police be charge will be no. Na ebia wo mo aye investigation kakra nti wo mo trese investigation kakra wo mo aye wa assembly mu no ne krese papa yi e plan se wo be kum MPP MP no nti no wo mo de no e ba be court. Now I'll speak on the other side of the matter and then we will all know because Ghana has said the assembly e was say you breaking it down ye den ye church ase na nkrofo ti ase. There's a reality on this particular matter and I'll speak on it, and there's also a legal side on this matter. The legal side might not necessarily reflect the reality. Into mesramo munya nto boase na yewidi tremu wi a madwen tra e wo se medeba asem we so no medeba na ye na ya eden yetie. Now we say the National Democratic Congress parliamentary candidate for Agona West me read this story na tremu Paul Ofori Amwa has been charged with aiding and abetting political party vigilantes in connection with an alleged plot to murder the incumbent member of parliament for the constituency Cynthia Morrison. They are charging the say Wabwa NDC vigilantes here you see yentungu no police are charging the say Wabwa NDC vigilantes wo show mo kena say wo munkonko kum MPP MP we e police wo charge wo mo de bono enya me Melodies na America. You are reading it right in front of you. CTFM4 now reported. Also, according to a charge sheet cited by City News, Mr. Amwa is said to have recruited 4 persons to engage in vigilantism at Agona West constituency and hatched a plan to murder Cynthia Mamle Morrison. Just a police for charge sheet amomode bono no. Womo se papay ekwakwa high vigilantism for vigilante for say womo mbra mbekum MPP MP no. It is just the line I am reading. Na ma treche mu atremo. Also, Miss Morrison had made a formal complaint to the police about 4 men who were arrested at a hotel in Agona Suedro saying they had plotted to kill her. The 4 were cautioned on preparation to commit murder and carrying offensive weapons. Inti enone nsemwe wa nkrofo ye bomudin Sadiq Abubakar, Gordon Kunya, Isaac Adai, and Dauda Fatao. We mu ye nkrofo a Yesu say wo mu eka NDC vigilante group 1. Yabo mo pass wo konko kum MPP no. So that is the official charge sheet police for Edebo NDC MP. Your friend Mr. Amwa. So this is the legal side. Now, let's come to reality. You see, I said something. I said, what I'm say, answer the police at the charge sheet, beba, na tre say, ebia woman ye prelims investigation. Omo hu ne say ne pako ne kre, ade a ye de bone so ye ne kre nti yemfa no enko court. Now, wo ho, but reality and say in Ghana ha say sometimes answer na police kra e de asembe kwa kodu court no na afi answer police for kra e ba be investigation into obe notice ya nsem bi wo ho wo mo de court na wo akosre judge ne say judge yesre nipa ku me yemfa ne into remand na investigation ye nwie ye. So that is the reality in this country. Nsem bi wo ho a udu court no bu hu ne say evidence a police for e de ba no and sheda endu echi. And a lot of cases we share a year and saying Western Togoland for in fact coup d'etat for yi coup d'etat for yi de omo court kra no se sa asem na state prosecutor ne kokan o se investigation egu so koso nti yesre yen remand nkrofo no until say ye be investigation ewie. So that is the reality in this country. Utumi di obi court but won wie won investigation ba ususu se nipa ko no wo wonsa e wade anim. Into doing the course of investigation no yetumi betre say nipa we kra no say ade no wonka ho na ye yi na film. I can give you a perfect examples. Last year Abrante a friend no Erikojo a wo bo aposifo mienu tuo eku omo e wo Kasoa. Ye de no ekọ court. Ye de no court no mo ka say still investigation. In fact answer na ye de no court no ye de nkrofo bebre ye che wono ene nkrofo be 5 eka ho. At the end of the day, apostle ebe investigation. So time na still nkrofo 5 na ya che omo no they were still in remand. But police for be investigation we ya still wo mo sanso de asem no court no mo hu say san nkrofo na eka ho no na wo mo nka ho na ya branch ne pe no di say ejuma no e ma ye be release san nkrofo no. A lot of cases in this country san na eko. So this could be that particular, this could also amount to that. And now when so able to me because when to me tell me say ebia police for na we investigation ni na now we dey court yes he say nti ebe to me aba ne say ye the papa ne be court aka say ni my year money bail, and you see that will affect him. That is why some people are saying say this particular move from the police is just a move from the MPP so that the NDC will not win that seat, because NDC for so stress sa seat no oma kan mo ho abompa se na ka seat no beje free a year MPP for nsem. So some people are also saying that because as some court na papa no ye ka se yemfa into remand and now say wo de yemfa into remand na yema ni bail kra na occasionally ye fra asem no court e wo se wo ba. Meanwhile election is just less than 2 months away. He needs his full attention on his campaigning and election no eba no. Sisi no obi na divided attention because we try case way as also try election. Not just obi lose focus. So some people are also saying said this is a move from the government and not a move from the MPP. That's what some people are also saying. But media, the fact on the grounds no and I made to her emamo. And you see this whole thing Pape asem way ayede bone so yi. You see, I believe in the rule of law. Eye ne kre se bibi se yesi a yemfa no enko court. But I have told you say in this country on paper ye ma look to say the police doesn't work for the ruling government, but the truth is the police works for the ruling government. Because let me give you this example. We were in this country where another minister who is an MP admitted that she shot a gun. Etuna wa to ye ewa Kasoa. Yes, I'm talking about how Akumsin. Etuna wa to ye no. Some people came out and we also saw videos. Ma maybe a warrior benku woni fie na ketune ya kobono. And now me know ewa ha police for say wo mo de ma me na kokota. I don't know. But that act admit here so no. That act single-handedly could also be seen as maybe a criminal act. But we've seen how the police have dealt with that particular matter. Don't get me wrong, I am not saying the police shouldn't deal with this matter. They should deal with this matter. But when it comes to MPP MPs, when it comes to MPP ministers, we all see how the police deal with the matter. But when it comes to NDC parliamentary candidates or NDC MPs or NDC personalities, now post for when we pay on my betty, say yes, when we to me. And you see, if you do that, and no nyama bia e kan ho a emma sabe bibia besi wo Ghana bia near the politics remu. I am a campaigner against that thing in this country. Say bibia besi bia ma yemfa nya politics. I am a big campaigner against that. But sometimes the act senior police for acting or reacting on certain matters, no, it doesn't help. It doesn't help at all. It is right. Aguna West MP, parliamentary candidate of NDC, it is right. Senensa ebon wo mu because ye nipa wo ene ye ka ho asem. Senensa bon wo mu, it is right here the never court. But we've seen other people in government also do similar things or even worse. But amodie, the rule of law doesn't apply to them in this country we live in. See, whether you are an NPP person or an NDC person, you say same way melodies making a crack. Meaning same way I'm making. I don't know whether you belong to NDC or NPP. Say anya obida obe frame ye di matem. Meaning me say two political parties yi wo mu ni na obi e di matem. Obi e di matem. Me wo ha NPP for frame di matem. We were first, but first, the credit say first no. Now we more than commuting my temper MPP for, and then the American first no. Now for more, you have say Ebi and 4-5. Ever frame the matem first no. Now ka MPP for your bear 4. But see there for the past 2 weeks no. The stories be me posting no and come my NDC for. And see there MPP for no or more pose. This year we more frame the matem your NDC for. A friend dim attempt and easy. It be to be sending me audio. My number na that screen as no sending me audio. Sometimes me to meet here audio and I'm also meeting me say yeah, ejime. But you see, the truth I will say, dim attempt and yes, me the American no. And that is the truth. Montreal margin comment box in motive for. But I say.